Today I'm reviewing Shea Miracle Curl Styling Custard. So after applying it in my hair, I'm going to give you a review. So let's get into this video today. So the review on this product, because I wanted to wait till it was dry to do this, right? So the review I have is it is a good product. The curls is properly well moisturized and stuff, right? No problem with that. However, it leaves this white stuff in your hair. I don't understand it. And leaving this whiteness in my hair, I don't like that. That is the only thing I don't like about this product. Other than that, my curls is really soft and nice. Beside the white residue remaining, I love this product. I have used their products in the past, had no complaints, didn't have this after I was done applying the product, but again, I love the product.